If you are a ChatGPT Plus user but still facing the ChatGPT at capacity issue, or if you are being unable to log in and use the chatbot, then this video is just for you. Hello and welcome to Login Science. If your ChatGPT shows at capacity even when you know that's not supposed to happen for the ChatGPT Plus subscribers, you can send your email and get the personalized login link. Do make sure to send the email address that you have used to subscribe or buy the ChatGPT Plus plan. Also, it's a good idea to check the OpenAI's status, if you are facing the login issues, because sometimes there are outdays and all that. So for this, visit status.openai.com. And if nothing seems to be solving your issue, then please contact the OpenAI support team by sending an email at support@openai.com. Here, I have composed an email using the ChatGPT itself because why not? Feel free to copy this and send it to the support team. Then await for their response. That's all I have for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.